And I don't understand that. And I do my best to stay calm and ask you, please stop.
What you want me to react when you do like this? I will be happy. I will be happy. Tell me. I will jump in happiness because I call. No one answer. I will jump in happiness. That is what you want me to react. What the you doing to me?
Hi, my friend.
Hello. What happened to you and Angie? I didn't see her on your bio, no?
Yeah, because we're done already.
What?
Yeah.
Why? What happened?
Because she too much drama.
Hay naku mga sis, maraming nagkamali na kesyo iniwan na daw itong si Angie, si Tommy at may bago ng boyfriend at Syrian daw yung lalaki na yan ha. At recently nga ay pinadalhan siya ng perang 31,000 pesos na finlex niya. Diba sa social media? You know what? I really don't get it lang na bakit kailangan pa niyang i-flex yung pamimera niya sa mga foreigner. For what? Mang-inggit siya na ginagastusan at hindi siya kagaya ng ibang may afam na pinaparausan lang. That she wanted others to feel that she's far more luckier than them. Ganun ba? Ay naku, Angie, hindi mo yan ikakaganda. Lumalabas tuloy na bigger ka. Even other men, alam mo, will not take you seriously unless gusto lang nila ng laruan. Or yung alam mo yun na alam nila na may mas mahihita din sila sa'yo kapalit ng perang ipapadala nila sa'yo.
Okay, I will tell you the truth. When she broke up with my Tommy, she messaged me, hello my friend, because I know her long time. Can't we talk in Messenger? I said yes, no problem. And then she messaged me in Messenger, and then tell me, can I call? I said, okay, call. I like you. I want to be with you. You accept me? I said, for what I accept you, guy friend? And she said, yeah, you don't like me? I said, I like you like friend only.
Do you have proof? Do you have proof?
Yeah, I have screenshot. I have the message.
Oh, okay.
And then she said, okay, if you don't like real, let's go make drama, me and you, in social media. We are together, like girlfriend, boyfriend, too.
So you and her is just make drama, content.
Yeah. Like you said, I will.
Not even real couple.
Yeah, like she will do record in the video call. She will tell me thank you about the money. Of course, I not sent to her money.
So
like,
the money was for content.
Yeah, like make drama, like TV or social media like this, where the actor make drama. I'm not actor good, but if she try to make course actor, maybe she will
So everything is
more famous. Yeah. I said, okay, what the business? She said, I have page Facebook, 2,000 followers. We're coming 5,000 followers. We have more followers, more like, more share, more star or like this. I will put in my bio.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
Some of your video guys have 1 million views.
Yeah.
100,000 views.
And she tell me when she get the money from the page, she will give me half. Because I help her to social media, video call, something like this. About the 31K peso, this drama also, I don't send to her. She go the bank, for her bank, she withdrew the money, and she come to home, and she call me.
Yeah, I understand now.
Yeah, and she tell me, you will say it like this, Mahal, you receive the money. I will answer you, yes, Mahal, thank you, Mahal.
Oh,
You understand?
wow. That's good drama there.
Also about the dress.
Oh, the dress. Yeah, I saw that video.
The last time where I'm not accept what she want me, I put her photo, she wearing bikini in my profile Facebook, this private,
Oh my God.
because this account private for my family only. My auntie, my cousin, all my family. Of course, I respect. I cannot put photo like this
Yeah.
in my
Because
profile
that's bikini.
Facebook, private Facebook for family.
Oh, yeah, for family only. So you
Even I open minded, but I need to respect my family.
Yeah.
You agree like this? You put your photo. I ask you now. If your boyfriend said put in photo for you and you profile sexy bikini.
And also that traditional, it's not safe.
Yeah, it's okay. If you have boyfriend, you can't call him. You need to show what you want. Okay, this is private. But this one, Facebook, my family, I cannot do that one. I'm not her dog to follow her what she want. Also, she not my girlfriend. Oi. Because that's business, me and her. I follow her what she want for her business.
True enough, ha? These are all drama. Scripted, kumbaga, na pinakagat at inuuto lang tayo. Kaso, hindi nga nag-click yung bagong prospect niya. Kasi hindi makaya yung demands na gusto niya. Kasi ang gusto niya mangyari ay ilagay yung picture niya doon sa profile picture nung lalaki. Kaso ang suot niya, nakasexy daw. Ayaw ng lalaki kasi nga, yung Facebook niya ngayon ay para lang sa kanyang pamilya at mga kaibigan. Ano yan? O, diba? Sana all demanding. So now, burado na ni Angie lahat ng video niya with this guy. Mayroon na naman siya ngayon na bago. Pero baka ending yan ay babalik din siya kay Tommy because I think, no, only Tommy can endure all her drama and BS. So let's wait and see. Meron ako mga commentor doon sa reels na ginawa ko, yung dinub ko yung boses ni Angie. Nawala na daw sila ni Tommy at may bago ng foreigner na Arabo na nagpapadala ng pera kay Tommy Hotdog or kay Angie. At may isa ring nag-comment doon na may bago na si Angie ngayon. Ha 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 ha. Bagong nabobolan niya. Sige nga, tingnan nga natin.
Since you mahal sexy dance, ha?
Sexy dance.
Side.
Baby, what are you doing? What she's doing, Notes?
Dancing.
Look at my back.
Now, why is this guy's annoyed?
No, it's not annoying.
He looks disgusted with it.
Yeah. You don't know if he's happy of what he's seeing or...
Why she's doing this?
Performance. Oh my God.
You like my dance?
Nice.
You like it? You like
Nice. What I'm gonna say? I'm gonna curse her or something.
it? No, what can you say about it? What can you say about his reaction?
He doesn't. I'm sure he doesn't like it. He doesn't like what like he's being forced or something.
Pink?
It's like he's being forced to watch her. This is what I feel. Like I'm being forced to watch her also.
It's like a torture, right?
Yeah.
There's one more. There's one more.
Okay.
Where is your heart?
My heart down. Here.
My heart is here. And where are me in your heart? Where are me in your heart? Where is your love?
What?
I have it in my t-shirt inside.
This is the most creepy.
Your love is in your heart, inside of your t-shirt.
Yeah.
My love as well is inside of my heart.
Why is she?
But I can see it in your eyes.
What's in his eyes? What can you see in his eyes?
What you see in my eyes?
All right.
It's twinkle twinkle of the love.
What is that, baby? Why you letting me watch this?
I just want you to see it.
I know that you love me.
You can see it.
Of course. Why not? They don't hate you.
What is that? Is that a horror movie?
What horror movie? No, just
Look at the way she's laughing. It's like a evil laugh.
she's just happy.
He's not.
Oh, kiss.
No, oh my god. He hit himself.
What?
It's not. It's soft. The soft is like this.
Oh my god, baby, that's
What?
fine.
Aren't they sweet? Huh?
I don't think so. What kind of sweetness is this?
They're not.
He's being forced to love her or something. He doesn't like what she's like.
So you think this is not, what do you call that?
I don't see any attraction between each other. I see her like.
It's not genuine. And what I'm saying, you don't see this as a genuine
No.
affection or.
What I see from his face is like he's being forced to talk to her or something. I don't think this is some kind of a true love or something. They saying love is blind. I understand this because it's really like this. When you love someone, you don't see how he looks. You just see him beautiful, even if he's not. But this one, I don't see that way at all. I don't see it that way. I see that he hates her so much.
I'm laughing in tears, I swear. Like, so you think it's not genuine?
No. It's some kind of a joke or something. I don't know. If he loves her, it would be obvious on his face. The way he talked to her.
And
he just like, I feel like he wants to say, when she gonna hang out like this?
hung up.
Like she gonna leave or something.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, actually, it's not real according to the man. Anyway, that's it. Just
Really?
nah.
I'm gonna work now.
Bye.
Bye.